Greetings. My name is Rich Schlueter. I'm a certified financial planner and long-term care specialist here at Newman Long Term Care. Prior to joining the Newman team, I had responsibilities in a financial planning organization that called for supporting nearly 7,000 clients in areas of insurance and comprehensive planning. In my 14 years there, I found that my joy came primarily from client interaction and education. I've often been told that I have a knack for putting relatively complex concepts into simple to understand terms, making a decision a less stressful and more comfortable process. During those 14 years, it also became apparent to me that one of the most impactful yet overlooked life planning issues involved answering the question, what happens if I get sick or disabled in my later years? Where will I live? Who will care for me? How will it affect my spouse's lifestyle or that of my children? How will it affect all other planning I've done? And who will pay for my care? It's natural to want to avoid such questions. During my career, I've had the opportunity to see the impact of those that have answered those questions and those that have avoided them. For those that have answered the difficult question by purchasing long-term care insurance, it wasn't just the tremendous financial relief the policy provided, but also the emotional relief it provided not only the insured, but their entire family. Knowing that their loved one would be cared for and that care would be based on their desires rather than on financial limitations was a source of great relief to all involved. No one wants to make care decisions based on a budget, but uninsured people often have to do just that. Long-term care insurance allows you to maintain control and independence, and when a long-term care event happens, it can mean the difference between spending quality time with a loved one versus a loved one spending their time with you as your primary care provider. For this reason, I've decided to focus my professional life solely on guiding families through the long-term care planning process. That decision was also solidified by a personal experience that has rippled through 3 generations in my own family. I've seen firsthand how a long-term care event can impact an entire family in many ways, and I want to help others plan to protect their own loved ones. With most of us likely to need some form of care in our future, I encourage everyone that is able to proactively take it upon themselves to plan for this possibility. Due to healthier lifestyles, improved technology, and continuing advancements in medicine, we're living longer than previous generations, and as a result, we also experience longer and more substantial health declines. For most of us, we can no longer assume that our nest egg will pay for our care and still support our family. Additionally, the government's made it clear that we should not and cannot rely on it as our care option. Tax breaks and other government incentives to purchase long-term care insurance are evidence of this, as are budget-constrained government programs. I believe a properly designed long-term care insurance program is a solid solution for many people. It isn't the answer for everyone, but it is for many. I would very much appreciate the opportunity to meet with you in order to discuss this area of life planning. As I've mentioned, I have a purposeful passion for long-term care planning, and with my background in values-based financial planning, I can help you evaluate and understand your options as they relate to your unique situation, much like I've done for so many others. Allow me to give you that same guidance. Please contact me today to begin discussing this important area of planning. Thank you.